Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Constant Spring Road. We're driving from the Constant Spring area to Half Way Tree. On the left is the Oaklands apartments. Very nice complex, huge, lots of homes and apartments over there. That tower that you see, they have about 10 to 12 of those towers over there. The towers are the apartments and they have townhouses beside the towers. Alright, so if we turn left here, we'd go on to Grand Spen Road and that will take us through Grand Spen into the Barbican area. On the left is a Fresh Approach, followed by Taboo, which is a gentleman's club, and then Furniture Land. Now on the left, another plaza or store is being built. I'm not sure what it is. Looks big enough to be a plaza. There is no sign up as to what it is, so we'll keep you guys posted. Okay, at this intersection now, if we turn left, we go on to Shortwood Road, and that takes us back to the Grand Spen area. If we turn right, we take Central Avenue. That takes us to Lindsay Crescent. That takes us to Washington Boulevard. Now we're going to go straight and stay on Constant Spring Road and head towards the Half Way Tree area. Now Jamaica has a lot of construction. We just passed a plaza going up, and over here is looks like a commercial building. So almost every road in Jamaica has some sort of construction going on. So that's a good sign. A lot of progress being made. Okay, on the left now is Active Traders. It's oh, they're actually closed today. It's a hardware store that sells a lot of household appliances and like sinks, toilets, those kind of things, basins, that kind of hardware store. You're going to find a lot of those stores, also a lot of tiles. So over here is Home and Things. You have Tile City, Home and Things, Active Traders. You have Phil's Hardware over here on the left. So Constant Spring Road has a lot of business places on it. But what it has a lot of is plazas or malls. Okay, if we turn right at this intersection, that's Dunrobin Avenue, and that will take us to Washington Boulevard and on to Mandela Highway. Now, that's the main, if you turn right there on Dunrobin, that's the main road that you would use to leave Kingston or to come into Kingston and St. Andrew area, the KSAC, or more specific, the city of Kingston. That's the main road. That's the busiest road in and out of Kingston, the city of Kingston. Okay, here is West Kings House Road on the left, and on the right is the Ministry of Justice. It used to be a plaza, but plaza was converted to the Ministry of Justice. So I guess it's a building now. Or maybe Ministry of Justice compound would be a better word. I'm not sure if all the... let's leave it at building. And West Kings House Road will take us all the way back up to Waterloo Road, and eventually up to Devon Road, where you can access, or even, I think it goes right back to, I think you can access King's House from that road as well. But the office or the leader of the opposition is on that road. Okay, on the left we have Byron's Plaza, then Popeye's fast food chain, fast food restaurant, and the right is Savannah Plaza. So from this point all the way to the center of Half Way Tree are its plazas. On the left, every lot or every location on the left is a plaza. On the right, almost everyone is a plaza. You have one or two stores, like you have the Texaco gas station, and then you have Courts, and then you have the Pica office. Other than that, every other location is a plaza. And these are some of the busiest plazas in Jamaica. They do extremely well. So this is South Avenue that we're crossing over now. Today is a Sunday, so you're not going to see a lot of traffic in the Half Way Tree area, but during the week it is the busiest place in Jamaica. It's a major transportation hub. Okay, on the left is the Mall Plaza, followed by the Tropical Plaza, followed by the Village Plaza. On the right, where you see the KFC sign, that's the Springs Plaza, followed by Central Plaza, and then Pavilion Plaza. Where you see those white arches, that's the Half Way Tree Transport Center, and it's definitely the nicest bus park in Jamaica, as well as the biggest and busiest. Okay, something seems to have happened down there. The police have blocked off the road. That's very strange, but something must have happened. Okay, we're now in the center Halfway Tree, or yeah, I guess you could say the center. Now, Halfway Tree is in the city of Kingston, but it is also the capital or the parish of St. Andrew. So remember now, you have the parish of Kingston and you have the parish of St. Andrew. And then you have the city of Kingston, which includes parts of the parish of St. Andrew and parts of the parish of Kingston. So the city is different. The city of Kingston is different from the parish of Kingston. So this is definitely the busiest place, not only in St. Andrew, not only in the city of Kingston, but in Jamaica. It's estimated that up to 250,000 people a day pass through this Halfway Tree area. And it's understandable because it's a major transportation hub. You have the bus park, you have another bus park on the left, and you have another one as you go around. So basically, in terms of transportation, this is it. Okay, on the left is the Halfway Tree clock. Now at this intersection, you go straight as Halfway Tree Road, turn right as Hagley Park Road, and the road we were just coming off is Constant Spring Road. Now on the left was Hope Road, but it's a one-way, so you can only come down Hope Road. So we are now on Halfway Tree Road. Wow, is it me or did that car just run the red light? There is so much indiscipline on the roads, it's unbelievable. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.